putting on bright colors will instantly make you happier. The trend takes that biological fact and suggests your closet can act like a pharmacy, dispensing mood-altering chemicals simply by choosing neon pink over navy blue. There is zero clinical evidence to support this. No scientific study has ever monitored participants' brain chemistry while they changed into brightly colored clothes to prove a spike in dopamine. Colorful outfits still influence our minds, but they do so by engaging psychological mechanisms rather than triggering a direct chemical release in the brain. To understand how outfits alter our mood, we have to look past the fabric and focus on what those garments symbolize to us. When researchers put test subjects into a doctor's white coat, those individuals show a sudden, measurable improvement in their mental acuity and focus. This subconscious role play happens in our daily lives too. Sliding into gym clothes makes us statistically more likely to actually exercise. Meanwhile, putting on a sharp, tailored suit forces the wearer to project dominance, making them act with more authority in social interactions. Yet, when it comes to raw intellectual performance, authority doesn't always win. Students taking exams score significantly higher when they trade the formal wear for comfortable, casual clothes. An outfit's influence is driven by the psychological role it forces you to adopt, letting the wearer inhabit the specific traits and expectations they associate with the garment. If we strip away the style and function of the clothing, we can isolate the specific impact of color on our physical and mental performance. Studies consistently show that individuals wearing red or black are perceived by others as more attractive than those in any other color. This chart tracks a 55-year review of football matches, revealing a statistical advantage for teams wearing a red kit. They consistently secure more home game victories. That measurable gap happens because red is tied to enhanced physical exertion, while psychologically intimidating opposing teams. A completely different shift occurs when we look at green. Viewing this hue is clinically linked to enhanced creative performance and deeper relaxation. Colors function as environmental triggers for specific behavioral states, like aggression on the pitch or creativity in the studio, rather than a generic switch you can flip for instant happiness. If red drives dominance and green brings calm, is there a universal, hardwired color code for all human emotion? No. Our emotional responses to color are heavily subjective and shaped entirely by our cultural environments. In the UK and much of the West, black is the undisputed color of sadness, worn almost exclusively at funerals. But in China, traditional mourners wear white robes and headbands to express that exact same grief. That subjectivity extends all the way down to our biology. Humans don't even perceive raw color identically. Look at this graphic of the famous 2015 dress illusion. Our visual perception is so varied that half the population saw black and blue, while the other half swore they were looking at white and gold. You cannot put on a neon shirt and expect a guaranteed, universal chemical mood boost. Your wardrobe functions as a personal collection of symbols, where each piece derives its power from the specific memories and meanings you've attached to it. To dress for true happiness or success, ignore the trendy color wheels.